Oh my god, I'm so excited, meeting you for the first time.
Yes, eh?
So, what do you do for a living?
I chop a line, man.
You what?
Me scam.
Huh?
Me's a businessman.
Oh, that's so nice. My dad's a businessman too,
Well, that no good, man.
What's that on your waist?
I'm shoes, Sometime I have to step on, boy, you see it?
Shoes? That's a gun. What the fuck?
Hey, girl, you a police or what? Why are you here? When I come in, I carry ask me be a question. I want to tell you, say I'm shoes, you see I talk about gun. Hey, girl, know yourself, hear that?
Okay, I'm sorry. I think I'm in love with you. Oh my god, I'm dead. Who is this guy? What's his name? Girl, his name is Davian Ricketts. Listen, I have to follow him.
Oh, go on in here, sir.
Hey babe, we're just having girl time.
Oh, cool. I'm going to touch in the streets now still, you see me? Soon forward back.
Excuse me? Where are you going?
I say me I go up on the road. And I'll be back soon.
What the fuck? I asked you where are you going?
Hey girl, you feel like I look a picnic this year day with your question, man, so? Now make me have to dig off your face, see that? Try to make sure someone come back and get a cooked meal too, I mean, I want a pasta, Every week is this damn pasta. I want to,
I just love how he talks to me. Oh my god, Rebecca! Hi!
How are the, my girl? How are the you do? Oh, I know about my window.
What the fuck? I was just...
How you want boy take me 3 points a road?
But babe!
But nothing, man. Why not my glass? Eat that girl. Rebecca! Rebecca!
She love bad man.
Oh, go on, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think though, all the family members then come together and I say you forgive Gary a kidney.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, none of you no call me and talk to me about the situation. You where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Let me tell you this, don't text back my lad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. The whole of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Look how much I want. Why none of you can do surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me wanna choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh?
Rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too.
In the eyes of a ranger, the unsuspecting stranger had better know the truth of wrong from right. 'Cause the eyes of the ranger are upon you. Any wrong you do, he's gonna see. When you're in
Kingston.
Texas, look behind you. 'Cause that's where the ranger's gonna be.
A polygon is a close for girl.
For girl, what the fuck like that talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop around put me. You want me tell you? Bye 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 bye.
Too much Hennessy, man. This Hennessy getting to me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little smashed. I'm a little dressed.
I fuck that bitch, you better not forget. Diamonds on me, came from Elliot. Money jumping out the building like a bitch. Money jumping out the building like a bitch.
Alright, the phone I break up.
You say you know I like you otherwise though.
Hello?
Auntie Donna,
Me nah hear you well.
you hear me now?
No, me come like something. Paul, I see if internet a cut there.
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet a cut.
It's a cut out.
Internet a cut.
Yeah.
Me nah hear me now. One other time when you call again, you hear me nah hear you well, it look like something wrong.
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at?
Me nah have no phone, you know, miss. And me nah give Pitney no my phone. Me not leaving my phone with no Pitney for me. No, when me win a lot of them a call me and can't get me a picking them again. Kids school in your yard, me will pay for it. Or if me get one phone, me will make you know. Me nah let me phone you know.
You need to seek God. You need God. You need God. Listen, don't leave me now.
Yeah, leave. No, I will lick you. Nobody will lick you, Elda.
You a liar. You say can't do me no matter. You need manners. Come to a man speak for me.
Hey.
Tell her you sleep me no matter. You sleep me.
Elda, ease yourself, man.
Tell she ease herself, no.
You behave yourself, man. Can nobody not tell?
Now you speak for me, sir.
Hey, Jesus. Hey. Me gonna let you. No, come on.
Come on, speak for me.
Come on, cause I'm paying me to you know, cause you know no behavior, you know.
That's me no want lick the money here, you know. Me no want to lick me no mate. Me talk to you. Where you speak for me for, sir?
Culture and Rasta. And he said, Jano did. Zamunda. Yes, Selassie, I love you. Miss Rona. Yes, Selassie, I love you.
Who is Selassie, Pops?
Yes, Selassie, I love you.
King of Kings, Lord of Lords.
No. You're wrong. No.
Feet.
No.
Foot.
Say you're wrong.
Feet.
Jesus.
You know what?
Listen me.
Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930.
Are the crown
Selassie
king?
dead. Selassie is not kings of kings and lords of lords. No, make me have it out, Zamunda. No.
Be right.
As Minister of Local Government.
When you were a minister in charge of the National Solid Waste, $2 billion went down the drain. You could have stopped it and you never did.
Check my performance as Minister of Tourism.
When you were Minister of Tourism, why did you allow the slackness that went on at the Jamaica Tourist Board? They were treating government money as if it was their personal money.
I will not be dragged into your little lying, dirty, slimy trick.
And when I, Audley Shaw, asked you to explain yourself, you went to Crossroad and said,
Don't draw my tongue. I don't trouble this girl because I don't afraid of no man, no girl,